It was just after sunset on the 12th of November 1996, when air traffic controllers in New Delhi lost contact with Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907. The Boeing 747 was carrying 312 people home from a business trip, but as rescue teams rushed to the crash site, they discovered something that made no sense. Among the wreckage lay evidence of a passenger who shouldn't have been there at all. But before we dive deeper into the chilling details of this collision, if you're gripped by these dark, twisted tales, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more haunting mysteries that will unsettle your mind. Flight 1907 had departed from Shymkent, Kazakhstan, on a routine journey to Indira Gandhi International Airport. The crew reported no issues as they began their descent into Delhi. But at 6:40 p.m., something went terribly wrong. The plane suddenly vanished from radar. Witnesses on the ground reported hearing a deafening explosion and seeing firelight in the sky near Charkai Dadri village. Rescue teams arrived to find a scene of utter devastation. Initial reports blamed a mid-air collision with a Saudi Arabian cargo plane, which was also destroyed. All 349 people on both aircraft perished. Investigators began sifting through the wreckage, focusing on flight recorders and mechanical failure. But as they cross-referenced passenger manifests with recovered personal effects, a discrepancy emerged. One set of documents didn't match any known victim. The mystery deepened when a local farmer came forward. He claimed to have seen a man wandering near the crash site hours before it happened, acting strangely and asking about flight schedules. Authorities dismissed it as trauma-induced confusion at first, but then they found a single suitcase in the wreckage that contained items suggesting the owner wasn't a typical passenger, including notes written in a code no one could decipher. As the investigation continued, whispers began among officials. Some speculated about espionage or smuggling, given the Cold War-era tensions still lingering in Central Asia. The coded notes were sent for analysis, but experts hit dead ends. Meanwhile, families of the victims demanded answers, haunted by the possibility that the crash wasn't just a tragic accident. The unidentified passenger's presence hinted at secrets buried in the sky. Years later, a breakthrough came from an unexpected source. A retired Kazakh intelligence officer confessed on his deathbed that the unseen passenger was a defector carrying sensitive documents about Soviet-era nuclear secrets. He had boarded Flight 1907 using a fake identity, hoping to disappear in India. The collision was purely accidental, but his mission meant the wreckage held state secrets that governments had quietly retrieved, leaving the public story forever incomplete. The 1996 Delhi air collision remains one of aviation's deadliest accidents, but the mystery of the unseen passenger adds a layer of intrigue that still captivates investigators. Was his presence merely coincidence, or did it hint at larger forces at play? The truth may never fully surface, leaving us to wonder what other secrets lie buried in history's tragedies. What do you think really happened on that fateful flight?